Hey DIYers, today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful felt Valentines. I loved Valentine's Day when I was growing up. I especially loved making my big Valentine's Day box so that all your friends in grade school could put the Valentines in. Super fun. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making felt Valentines using Arteza felt, which comes in a ton of different colors, and we're putting it all together with my SureBonder glue gun. Everybody's gonna love these. If you have a Valentine's Day tree, these are gonna be beautiful on there too. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just wanna say Happy Valentine's Day. And you know how much I love hearing from you. Are you ready? Let's make some felt Valentines. Felt origins can be found in Central Asia, where there is evidence of felt making in northern Mongolia from the 7th to the 2nd century BC, showing the broad use of felt clothing, jewelry, wall hangings, and elaborate horse blankets. The scalloped shape of the now familiar heart symbol arises in the early 14th century. The modern indented red heart has been used on playing cards since the late 15th century. Valentine's Day, also called St. Valentine's Day or the Feast of St. Valentine, originated as a Christian feast day honoring one or two early Christian martyrs named St. Valentine. Make sure to check out all of the Arteza products. They make everything from felt and color pencils to sketchbooks and glitter. I'm gonna leave a link to Arteza and everything I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.